Hey everybody, it's Kevin Ray, your real estate bartender here, and going to share with you, this is a pretty simple drink here, but it is our favorite here in this house, is the martini. In my opinion, this is the perfect martini, and we drink, so you can do gin or vodka. I prefer gin by far, Laura prefers vodka. But this is how we make it, and I think you would enjoy it too. So start out with your cocktail glass. I'm not a fan of the little, the rounded glass. Use the good old-fashioned cocktail glass, in my opinion. Best looking glass that there is. So start out with that. Get yourself a shaker. If you're a James Bond fan, you hear the shaken, not stirred. Whatever. That's not really where that comes from, in my opinion. The shaken martini, why they do call it bruised, because it does get cloudy when you shake it, and it is considered by a lot of folks to be the lesser way to make it. But bear with me and understand here, the reason I prefer it shaken, and Laura does as well, it gets a lot colder than if you just stir it. So anyways, so take your shaker, add some ice. I just usually put in a handful of ice. Start out, what we're going to do here is it's only got 2 ingredients from, liquid anyways. So we're going to start out with 3 ounces of gin or vodka. And if you use the spouts, you can get pretty precise measurements on a 4 count. So count to 4 and that's an ounce. So 3 ounces, count to 12, duh. And then to that gin, the 3 ounces of gin, you're going to want to add about a ½ ounce of dry vermouth. I actually add a little bit less because I prefer more of the gin flavor, so I'm just going to do a 1 count. But normally you would do a 2. And that would be about the right consistency. Put your lid on, and then just shake it. Your hand's going to start getting really cold the longer you go, and wait till the outside freezes up and your fingertips basically are stuck to the shaker. At that point, you're good and cold. Take the lid off, pour it. Now you can see it is a bit cloudy, but that is fine. Nothing wrong with that because it will clear up in just a second. Keep pouring because it does, as it gets colder, the alcohol in there is going to start to slow down and not really gel, but get a lot denser, and the pour will slow. Make sure you get it all out of there. To that, olives are typical. I actually do prefer a lemon or lime twist in there. Laura's a big fan of the olives, but that is your classic gin martini. Cheers, guys. Again, I'm Kevin Ray, your real estate bartender, and I will see you on the next drink.